Welcome students. Today we are starting with question number 6, exercise 13.8. Now you can see here on the screen, the question is a hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. Means I have shown here with the yellow color, this is the thickness of the iron sheet. Okay. If the inner radius is 1 meter, means this radius is 1 meter, and then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. You have to find out the volume of the iron which is used to make this hemispherical ball, right? So what you have to do, here you can see the thickness is given to us in a centimeter and the inner radius is given to us in meter. So first of all you will convert this in a centimeter form, right? So you can write down here inner radius we represent this by small r, which is equal to 1 meter, and this is equal to 100 centimeter, right? And the thickness is 1 centimeter. So outer radius would be, you can write down here, outer radius is you can represent by capital R. Outer radius equal to this is inner radius plus thickness. So this is 100 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, so this is 101 centimeter, right? Whenever you have to find out the volume of the sheet when it is hollow from inside that object, then what you have to do, you have to find out the volume of the outer hemisphere, and then you have to subtract the volume of the inner hemisphere from the volume of the outer hemisphere. So I can write down volume of the metal sheet equal to volume of outer hemisphere minus में volume of the inner hemisphere, right? Now you can write down the formula here. Volume of the outer hemisphere would be 2 by 3 pi capital R cube, and this is 2 by 3 pi small r cube. You can take out 2 by 3 pi common. What is left inside the bracket? R cube minus R cube. Okay. Now put the value of R cube. 2 by 3 pi is your 22 upon 7, and my capital R is 101 cube minus small r is my 100 centimeter, and outer I can write down cube, right? Now you have to multiply them, and then you will get the volume of the metal sheet which is to be used here to make this hollow hemispherical ball, right? Now if I multiply this, I would get 44 upon 21, and the value of 101 raised to power 3 is 1030301, and this is equal to 1 and 6 times zeros, right? Now you can subtract them and you will get 44 upon 21 into 30301 centimeter cube. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to multiply 44 by 30301, and you will get here 1333244. I have already calculated this big number, so I am not showing the calculation of 44 multiplied by 30301. I have already done this, and this is divided by 21. Now when you divide these two numbers, you would get 63487.81 centimeter cube. Now this is a big number, and if you want you can convert them in a meter cube form, because 1 meter cube equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube. So if you want to convert this centimeter cube into meter cube, you have to divide this by 10 lakh, and when you divide this by 10 lakh you will get 0.06348781, and this is now in meter cube, and this is your answer. I hope you understand this question. This is very simple question, only the calculation part is little bit difficult, but you don't have to worry for the calculation. Now you have done so many questions, and now I hope you can easily do the calculation part. yourself, right? Now let us move to question number 7. This is very important question, because here you can see directly we are not finding the volume and anything else. Here we are finding something else. Now in this question you can see, find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is given. Means I have to find out the volume, but R is not given here. Here the surface area is given, but for finding the volume of a sphere we required radius, that is R. So it means by using this surface area, first of all I will calculate the radius, right? So here I will write down surface area of a sphere is 154 centimeter square. What is the formula of a surface area of a sphere? Is 4 pi r square, right? So this is 154 centimeter square. So r square equal to 154 upon 4 pi, right? Now I will replace the value of pi over here. So this is 4 into 22 and 7 will come in the numerator. There is no need to explain how this 7 will come here in the numerator, because we have already done a number of questions and we know how you can do this. Now I am cancelling these numbers by 11. 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are, and 11 4s are. 2 1s are, and this is 2 7s are. Now r square equal to 7 upon 4 centimeter, 7 upon 2 centimeter whole square, because 7 into 7 means 7 square, 4 is equal to 2 square. So I have converted the right side number as a power 2, because I have to find out the value of r. So square will cancel with this square and r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, right? Now what I have to do, now I have to find out the volume of the sphere. The second part I am doing here. Volume of the sphere is, what is the volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? 4 by 3, pi is my 22 upon 7 and r is my 7 by 2. So 7 by 2, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, and the unit is centimeter cube. Let us see what can I cancel over here. 7 will cancel with this 7. 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4. 2 will cancel with this 2. And again this 2 will cancel with this 22, 11. So here I am getting 11 into 7 into 7, and in the denominator I am getting 3, right? So 11 7s are 77 into 7 upon 3. 7 7s are 49, 4, 7 7s are 49, and 4 is 53 upon 3 centimeter cube. Here you can also write down centimeter cube. Now you can divide them and write the answer either in the decimal form or in the mixed fraction form. Whatever you want, you can write down the answer in this way. I hope you understood this question also. Children, you have to revise these questions again and again, then only you feel comfortable while attempting these questions in the exam. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends so that they will also get the benefit of these videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.